Hey there, welcome back to thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor. We're going to take a look at the gold chart here in just a second, but really quickly I wanted to let you know we are offering a discount here on the annual membership. For this week only, you can get $100 off of the annual membership. This special offer is not valid on any other membership options, just the annual membership, and is for this week only. So how it will work is you pay the normal price today and our system will immediately credit and refund you $100. Again, this offer is valid only for this week. We rarely offer discounts, so this is your one rare opportunity to become a member at this discounted rate. Alright, so let's get into the gold chart. So we're going to start off with a zoomed out view here of the weekly chart. This is 10 years of action, and I think it's really important to get a big picture view because then we're going to narrow it down to the more recent action, and I'm going to give you some specific levels that I think are really going to help you. So you really have to understand that the last, really since 2013, we have been trading sideways for about 6 years, okay? Between this range right here and this range right here. Look at that action, okay? Not much trend, okay? We did have trends here and there, you know, trend here, trend down, and those were some pretty nice moves. But overall, you know, you can see that gold can move very, very big, very, very big. And now we're breaking out of this range. I do think ultimately gold will head much higher, but in the short term, we could see some further downside action. So let's take a look at a more zoomed in view. Oops, I'll delete all these. Alright, so what we have here, put my face up here. So right here we have this main resistance level that is now going to be support. Okay, it's right around 129. We also have a very nice uptrend line right here, and that lines up pretty well with this support. Okay, so we've got 129 to 127, and by the time that gold would get down here, and again, I'm not saying gold is heading this low. I am only saying that if it does, this would be a great buying opportunity. So we've got this previous resistance, which is now support, lining up with this beautiful uptrend. You can see bounce, 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 several bounces right here, and that lines up perfectly right there. We also have Fibonacci retracement level. If you draw it from that major low right there to this major high right there, you can see that we've got the 50% Fibonacci retracement level lining up perfectly with that previous resistance, now support, and the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level not far below. So I think if we head lower, this is going to be a great buying opportunity, really between about 129 to about 124. So that $5 range right here is going to be a great buying opportunity if we head lower. So now let's kind of zoom it in into the more recent action. This is the daily chart. We're looking at about 100 days of action. Okay, so what we have right here is first and foremost this pretty decent uptrend line right here. You can see that it has given gold a bounce there, several times here, right here, and here we are bouncing off of it. Okay, if we lose this uptrend line and close below it, I think that gold is going to head much lower. Okay, right now in this zone where we're currently at, to me it's kind of in no man's land. I don't really want to get long gold. I don't really want to short gold just yet, if you are not currently in a position. Okay, so we do have that uptrend line. That needs to hold. We also have this downtrend line right here. Alright, that downtrend line. If we break this downtrend line, so close over about 141, would signal to me a breakout for gold. We have not done that yet. Now, I want to draw this support level that we have just broken recently, okay, right around here. I'm just going to raise it a little bit, right about there. So you see it was support there, there, right here, 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 here. We broke that just recently, so we're below this support. We made a lower low than this low. Okay, so in the near term, in the last about 90 days, we are making lower lows and lower highs. In the longer term picture, we are making an uptrend, higher highs and higher lows, but in this short term, we are making lower lows and lower highs. Okay, obviously the bigger trend is what you want to focus on, and that is the uptrend. But this is another level you want to watch, and that's right around 139. Okay, and that's that support. So if we reclaim that support, reclaim that level, that would make this recent breakdown a false breakdown, and I think that that could send gold higher as well. So right now we're kind of in between these two levels. Okay, we're in between this uptrend line right here. That needs to hold for an upside move. But we're still below this resistance, all right? We need to hold either over that resistance right here or below this trend line support in order to really see some kind of significant move. But we're pinballing back and forth in a very tight range. I imagine that it's not going to stay within this purgatory zone, as I like to call it, for very long. Okay, so these are the two levels you want to watch: 139, about 137 on the downside. If either of those levels break, to me that's going to be your signal to either get long or short. And even greater is if we break this downtrend line on the upside move. That to me is going to signal a big move. We've basically been trading not sideways, but in a tight range here for a while. So I think that if we finally get some kind of resolution, whether it be to the upside or the downside, that's what you want to look for in gold to make a trading decision. So again, if you don't already know, I run a alert service here at thetradinganalyst.com. So much more than alerts, but the main thing here that you're getting are these profitable trading alerts. This is the portfolio tracker that we use to track all of our closed out alerts. Both the entries and the exits are all texted out to you when you become a member. And you can see the vast majority of these trades are winners. You can see the average win is more than double the size of the average loss. And over the last 18 months, almost 2 years, we've been doing this portfolio tracker to track all of our trades. $317,000 in total profits, and that's following all of the trades. The wins, the losses, the break-even trades, everything gets factored into this profitability. And when you sign up and join, I'll start sending you alerts right away. In addition to these alerts, you're going to get a watch list. You're going to get an open position list, where it's going to list the stops, the targets, and the reason for the trade, and what we're looking for in that trade. In addition to that, you're going to get private member-only videos, which is going to give you an inside look into what I'm seeing in the market, and to give you a little educational picture of each of the trades that we are in and thinking about taking. In addition to that, you're going to get a full education suite where I cover anything from strategies, option techniques, and everything under the sun to help you make money in the market. In addition to all of these things, you're going to get virtually 24/7 access to me personally. You're going to be able to ask me anything under the sun, whatever you want. We have a one-on-one live chat. You can respond via email or to respond to any of the text message alerts that I send out, and I respond to those as well. So the most important thing here, though, is you're going to get these profitable trading alerts delivered directly to your cell phone. A little bit about these alerts. They are swing trade alerts lasting for more than a few days. It ranges from about 2 days to 30 days, depending on the trade and the market environment. So I'd like to invite you to join right now. And as a reminder, for this week only, you're going to get $100 off of the annual membership. This offer is only valid for the annual membership, not valid for the monthly or the quarterly. How it works is you pay the normal price, and our system will immediately credit and refund your account $100. And again, this is for this week only. So I look forward to having you as a new member, and I hope to see you in there.